Hello and welcome. In this class is very similar to the other class. I gave you an introduction to this class, and I'm hoping that you will have learned something in our lesson number 13. In our lesson number 12, we looked at numbers 100 to 1000, and so we have a number range of 1000 to 100,000, and which I will incorporate something here. The numbers are almost endless, so from here it's elfu moja, meaning there's 1000, that if I put that comma. 2000 is elfu mbili, 3000 is elfu tatu, elfu nne is 4000, 5000 is elfu tano, 6000 is elfu sita. This comma helps you a lot. Is elfu nane saba, 8000 is elfu nane because of this 8. 9000 is elfu tisa, then kumi is elfu kumi. And remember our initial class here, which I might go back to show you something here. If I would copy something like this, which is very important, and then I'll come here and put it here because it's very important to learn this. It will be 100,000 is elfu mia moja, 900,000 is elfu mia tisa. Mia tisa is this 900, which is at the very end. Then we have 1 million, which is milioni moja, milioni moja. And that brings you to another class of numbers, which shows you milioni moja because of this one. If I bring something like 2 million, it will be, as you can guess, it will be milioni mbili, milioni mbili, milioni tatu, milioni tisa, until I come here to 9 million, which is milioni tisa. Then it can go all the way to 900, then give you something milioni mia tisa. Because of million is 1 million, then mia tisa is this 900, so it's 900 million. Then it goes now to another class, which is endless. I told you these numbers are endless, which is bilioni moja. And as you can see, we can go on and on and on and on, because now if I come here and add 900, 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 to be bilioni mia tisa, which is 900 billions. So the numbers keeps on going and going and going. So it goes back to whether you understood moja, mbili, tatu, nne, tano, sita, saba, nane, tisa, kumi, then 20, 30, 40, you see, 50, 60, 70 na 30, 80, all those numbers, 90, all these numbers just goes back to whether you understood those numbers. If you really understood these numbers, constructing these other numbers will be a bit easier. I'm hoping that you've learned something in this, and I'm hoping to see you in the next class, whereby we shall be looking at the different class, which is about the school supplies. And I'm hoping that you will enjoy the class. Until next time, bye bye.